Okay, it's Thursday evening, December 8th. I just wanted to shoot a quick video kind of showing the way I like to kind of browse through the charts and look for opportunities for the next day. And every so often you see some very good patterns set up that have very good potential. So I just wanted to show you two that really are my two real favorite patterns. There are actually a lot of stocks tomorrow that have good potential, but let's just look at, for example, Mara is the first stock. And if I go here to the 15-minute chart, you can see here that over the last 2 days, we have a perfect flat top that's formed. That's, again, one of my favorite patterns when I see it, because it means that if we can get a strong green bar to open up tomorrow, that'll be breaking out of this, sideways pattern for another move up within this channel. And again, it all depends on that strong green bar, or we can get a little pause to start the day and then a breakout. But either way, that's, typically with this pattern, you get a strong green bar to start, and that confirms it, and that could end up being a very good trade. So we'll look for that. And again, context-wise, Mara has been down big with the Bitcoin little pullback, but it had a nice reversal 2 days ago, and it should at least make another. And you can see this level here is pretty important because that was prior support, and then it broke, so now we're coming up there. That's why you have the pause here. But if we could break above that, then we're likely heading to at least the top of these bars here. And then if that breaks, then maybe the whole uptrend resumes in Bitcoin. But either way, there should be a good short-term trade if we get good opening price action tomorrow. So we'll look for that one. The other stock, a little different pattern, but still a very good one is NVIDIA. And I'll show you that. I got to just type it in here quickly. And what that is that stock also has rallied the last recently pretty big. It had a reversal day 2 days ago. Then we had a follow-through day. And then this is just a nice orderly pullback. I also like this pattern a lot, where you identify that spike and then a 45-degree channel heading up. And this, when you can find a day, sometimes it's even goes into 2 days, or it's kind of part of this day, and then this day, comes down to the bottom of the channel in nice orderly fashion. And you can see that's like kind of the halfway point of this move up. It just comes down. So if we get a nice green bar tomorrow, that signals that we're going to test those highs here at 324. The stock's at like 318 right now. Big green bar to start that 20, and then we can likely go above that and move, somewhere to the top of the channel. So I'll be looking for that trade also tomorrow. NVIDIA, because again, it's just setting up very nicely here. Again, if you get the strong green bar to start, or some kind of a pause in this area and then breaking out higher in early in the session. If we start lower, then it just negates the whole pattern. So again, can't predict it. Price action will lead us to the trade, but the charts are definitely in a position here where, with good opening price action, they're good high probability trades to follow through higher. So we'll see what happens tomorrow.